Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Lobang. Welcome back to this channel. Today I want to talk about Telegram. Recently I saw this service notification where it states that Telegram is now capable of moving the history of chat groups from WhatsApp, Line or KakaoTalk to Telegram. In this video, I wanted to demonstrate how it can be done. First of all, I need to go to my WhatsApp group and I want to choose one interesting chat that I wanted to shift over to Telegram. So let me choose one which is from this person. He is my car grooming company. He is from a car grooming company. So I wanted to shift all the chat from WhatsApp to Telegram. So how I do it is I go to these three little dots. By the way, I'm using Android to demonstrate. So export chat, and you can include media. So once I include media, you can see that Telegram is appearing onto this share media. Press on this and I have to choose where I wanted it to be sent to, because in Telegram there's a lot of chat group that I can send to, but right now I just need to send to myself. I have another my own Telegram, so I just put import. And you can see that 548.7 kilobytes of information is being transferred over. Once it's done, you can see that every chat that I had with this company is inside here. Okay, this is the original post that I have on this chat group, so ignore it. But the rest from here until the end is actually from the WhatsApp chat group. So you can see the first one is this. Let's go up and see. Yeah, so this is the first one until the end, which is nicely sent over. However, I also discovered that there's some information that cannot be transferred over. I'm not sure why. Let me demonstrate a negative one whereby it doesn't work. Let me go to, I have two phones, so let me go to one of my phone lines. There's a lot of graphics, a lot of media in this chat. So what I want to do is the same thing. I want to transfer everything. Okay, everything means since 2016 until now. So I want to transfer over more, export, include the media, and I want to go to Telegram. The same thing, I want to go to this chat and import. In total, 2.5 megabytes of information is being transferred over. So once done, you can see that yes, some of the pictures are being transferred over. However, you can see that until this this post, there's one more post that says test, and then that's it. There's no more. From here onwards is the new chat group, but it only transfer a little bit of the information that I had to the Telegram, and the rest are missing. So I try to investigate it, and I realized that maybe it's because of the media that is causing it. And some media I have not actually I may have been changing phones and have been backing out WhatsApp chat group, and then this may lead to some error. So I try to export without media using the same method to Telegram, to this account again, and it's done. And you can see that those media has been omitted from this transfer. And the first one that I got, that means the first message that I had from here is, let me see, is this one. This is from the first post 2016 that I had over at my WhatsApp group. So you can see this is the first chat 2016, no, 2017. 5th of September. So it works if I did not send it with the media. Okay, there's one last thing I want to share with you. If you want to delete a message, you can either delete it like this. You select a few messages or whatever, and you press the delete button. Notice that there's also another check-in box whereby it says also delete for Joe. That means to say that if you tick on this, right, whatever device that is holding on to this chat information will have these 3 messages deleted. So let me demonstrate here. When I press delete, you can see immediately from my desktop, right, it will be deleted away immediately, or in fact on any devices that has this checked will have this information deleted. But then if today I just delete it without checking into this box, right, I'm only deleting it from this device itself. That means the rest of the chat in other devices will be intact. They will not be deleted. So this is something that you can control when you want to delete something from the chat, or you want to delete from every single device that has this chat. So just press on this and delete. So all the devices that chat will have these 3 messages deleted. And that is it for now. I hope that this short video is beneficial to you, and also to let you know what to expect when you want to do the transfer. If you like this video, do like and subscribe to this channel. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.